Thank you so much for the ongoing love and support you've given us. At Psych2Co, our mission is to make psychology and mental health more accessible to everyone. You play a crucial role in helping us achieve that. Now let's dive into the video. Have you ever put dry ice in a bottle? As the CO2 turns into gas, the bottle gradually expands with pressure until, with a sudden pop, it explodes. Bottling dry ice is similar to bottling up your emotions. There's a time limit before the metaphorical bottle explodes, and releasing the pressure can be challenging. Let's explore 6 signs that you might be bottling up your feelings. 1. Rarely yelling or crying, but erupting over small issues. Imagine your partner accidentally drops a cup and breaks it while washing dishes. Suddenly, you feel overwhelming anger. This outburst over a seemingly minor issue could indicate deeper suppressed emotions related to your relationship or personal life. Research from the University of Texas shows that suppressing emotions can actually make them more powerful. 2. Distracting yourself when feeling uneasy. Do you mindlessly scroll through Instagram or binge-watch TV shows to avoid facing your emotions? These self-destructive behaviors are telltale signs of emotional suppression. Instead of dealing with how you feel, you distract yourself. 3. Being a different person around others. Bottling up emotions can create a divide between who you think you are and how others perceive you. You might feel exhausted or anxious privately, but your friends see you as confident and calm. It's like having 2 separate faces, one for yourself and another for the world. 4. Discomfort around highly emotional people. Suppressing emotions can make you uncomfortable around others who openly express their feelings. You might struggle with how to react or offer comfort, especially if emotions hold personal stigma or pain for you. 5. Experiencing life from a third-person perspective. Picture being at the mall with friends, everyone laughs and jokes, but you feel like an observer rather than an active participant. Bottling up emotions distances you from your own feelings. It not only makes anger and sadness harder to express, but also dampens your ability to experience happiness and joy. 6.it sounds like you're describing a common pattern. Avoiding confrontation and suppressing emotions. When we avoid addressing the cause of our feelings, we may feel powerless and unable to communicate effectively. But emotions serve as valuable signals like our first intel in a war. They indicate something needs attention or fixing. Instead of numbing yourself to the pain, consider embracing your emotions and using them to identify necessary changes in your life. If you found this helpful, share it with someone else who might benefit. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. This is Dark Psychology World Channel.